Mamema wakwaba enfaumbra GCN page so mesro subscribe to my channel founsa mi abe one so ube ya notification ene sani news e betum bia ube ye bieti anase ube ye biahwe e wo GCN page hamidi e de adwoa sechi Honorable Kennedy akompreko e Japan awoye MP de ma Asin Central ena okase na edensem ena honorable e ka honorable nsem a okenya ne se ne nsada ne nsaye ne kotodwe egufe opa eye Ghana youth ne chelse osromo ewo mi se oman ni mu ayedin na ewo mi se wodo nsa eye adwuma ubenye sika eye aguboto se na ebe ya unemployment no eso ebete ewo man Ghana mu na ewo mi no ne pachawa openya ekoma youth ne se youth no mo hu nsua se bio ensemfo na politicians omo oman Ghana mu no omudi no because politicians no musuman enye enti se youth ne esu omo a ye bebre ye papa enti se wo ye youth na wo man Ghana mu a ade esese o ma na ediwani kan eye honesty and afen so hard working chese o ma na nkwawedi ena adwumaden ediwani bikanya obetumi akofa na honorable ne kasemu ena o chese Ghana youth ni yempebro ensanso empeduma chese ene obasankwa ne yepe honorable etrinse wanya adwumaden ena ode nya basabasa esi na nusu a anka ne so honorable Kennedy akompreko Japan and otumeti na ode ne nsasi ne buso wusika na otu youth no efo no na o chese youth bi obi na ode youth bi eba ne nchense nipa koro bo no modi yi papa ena honorable chese o man $7 million dollars se onje na onfa enkonkoye adwuma na honorable chese sika no de ema enipa no wakoye sika ne basa no de he nipa no otwe mu tan koso be famiko obeji ni sika ena honorable kase bi anio mo sorry fix the country obi nso efa mo fix mo a mo mbra mo ho ase enti no obi fa youth bi no ne ye adwuma se wudi nsemu na se bi oyiwadi a wa be ka unemployment for no ho enti no sa no unemployment rate no koso enso mo sorry na mo kasa ena de ade enti honorable se wo ye youth no obi fa wadwuma fa ho brase no kwalidi na fa ye adwuma no na mo the politicians ne de usu musuban a obebre ye papa enti honorable se opa youth ne chew mebe no bia emfa politician bia no suban e wo man Ghana because o musuban de enye eye kon kra na sem say na honorable e de etuya.
I don't have trustworthy people to hand over businesses. Me ana most resilient. Me ma 22 no eboa papa. I've educated them, they will take over. They will take over irrespective of my inculcating into them. So irrespective of your age. When I put you there, you are the boss. Discipline. Who you are bow, who you are bambo, with the Juma show, let them feel say you are the owner of the place. Or you fire him or her. Case close. Because the level of dishonesty in this country is too much. And Kajuma waha, you bet me I am na but Obia bon yon kokoro. Obia bon yon kokoro. I'm pleading with the youth. Don't learn that bogus attitude from us. It won't help you. It won't help you. They are quick to say a human ho. But who call you? We are Mammy Mamu scenario ni na muhu kronoa Emma yeni yanku yanim. One. Sami means you na five. O fire no. One fan could be a juma o. Nembom. Usika no de koto TV. A better than a TV no a creative job. Good. O fire no. O dia koto blocks AC down. Once you are building the house, the labor, no, plumbers, mechanics, whatever, yes. When you see them, they are out. Kromphobia anywhere. Or see over Tini Abo Chrono. Ako Via Yan Canada. But I die about you. That day will be answered. So, young men and women who are listening to me, I'm pleading with you. Honesty pays. Dishonesty will destroy you. Honesty pays. Dishonesty will destroy you. Because this guy, our family machines, my friend will do the phone.
Oh,
I will punish him well.
all right.
Yeah, we're doing the phone.
Yeah.
$7 million Ghana phone 10 years. And so, Suhini, I can't quite see a 70 people. Or no, see me make them. Now who the hell is he?
Sir, NDC youth now. Me catch him. Say me to no. Me to about that. I don't belong to any political party. Intimunya sa Jimmy Sim na bimu ye no. When you video then they think say you are trying to speak against fix the country, or you are trying to speak against transgenders or those guys, you know. They just come and pay me writing nonsense. Akufo-Addo na idea about Akufo-Addo na Akufo-Addo here. You guys were insulting Mahama. Mahama is better than Akufo-Addo. We even regret. Why should you even tell me that, bro? Why should you even come on one page to tell me that nonsense? Do I care about that? Why should you even come on one page and come and tell me say Mahama is better than Akufo-Addo? Don't come and tell me that nonsense. I'm not into any. I'm not part of your political useless agendas. Never come on one page to come and write those nonsense for me. Somebody say more because MPP were power, you know. So fix the country the more air cost because MPP were power, you know. And this is for you. They must story now. And nobody can tell me something make me boy. And this is youth. I know say a lot of people who are also a part of MPP. Everybody want the country to go war. Nobody will tell you say Ghana no. Obi an pegana ye. Obi a pegana ye. But be now more than mobile. Mudi atemo no kan kosasemu nyina no. NDC youth because my messages are. I know the reason I'm saying this, and nobody will come and tell me say me boy. Then hamo. Mo then hamo. Ghana be here. Sabi. Mama me sanso na. And this year, how many years? I'll be how many years? Okay, so one can't tell me. It's a young people buy now for the will be can be a mobile down can someone who he actually part. And when I was talking, did I speak in favor of any political party? When I was making my videos, did I speak in favor of any political party? You guys should stop that joke. And let me tell you, you said you more, but some of us we are well cultured. We have ethics. We have courtesy. So we never come on a page just to place any insult on anybody. But so balance over Yamia, that I will respond to you accordingly. You understand me? Balance over Yamia, I will respond to you accordingly. Who Abraham Ben will say, Baomia Kokasa said he knows what he's saying. He only understands what he heard or what he saw. Manaka said, and Aquanyana, but transfer principalities and demons now operating as a hammer, a Aquanyana. A farm by are you way about me? But then I was on that you like the same dreams now, or here, and no Sunyana. Everybody and Obia in the spirit that you so about me, I said, I don't know, I'm Aquanyana, just know he has seen it, whether it be in the physical or spiritual view. Say demons and principalities, and it is what I say. How dare you come out and insult the man like that? And I'm crying. Then I'm crying. Ghana or you? Then I'm then Jimmy Sam crying. No. Ah, who Abraham Ben Moshe? Who Abraham Ben Moshe? Who knows CSF when you know Jimmy Crossing will be so CSF in our family now. You have people who are we have so-called celebrities be on my touch. Sponsoring, you know, what Jimmy person who have them. Now, what's one chance about me? I must be my own so circumstances now will be. You know, wake up in the morning and send money to this guy, Abraham Ben Moshe. You know, wake up in the morning and send and remit money from here in America to this guy. So, who share the deals for CSF? And I said, they thought in CSF what T-shirt and I CSF what kept. And how their contribution towards what CSF? Okay, common sense family. Tell me your agenda. Hey, you guys are so aimless that means simple sir. Obia be institutional. Whoever that opens any institution, for instance, OBC school. That's what training people in that institution. They have a very what? They have an objective. For instance, maybe a school you know, a man can fly that question be say, I be born in Ghana. What I say, and I say, Obia, sorry, they have an aim, they have objectives. Okay, Obia forming NGOB, they have objectives. NGO Crampo, no more than just say, almost Nasa be say, NGO way, Abwa, maybe your mom to take rural areas. What I say. Now, what be a common sense family? What be a CSF? With an objective, say, where the Google Christian, over religion. And you have some people who just support your stupid ideas, stupid agenda. So much me saying come on, just to go on air and go and talk. You guys are so stupid. You guys are so aimless. Just me who will be what Jimmy says I see for another. So to me saying come on, Abraham will say we say on fire. Some more sponsor just to come on air and come and speak. So the book is some Jimmy cry too much. Me who been put that. Once I'm cross again, after the home. Oh, Abraham and I say what's your platform so say face the country the monamo no. Or be for contribution, move for bass, my use no. Cape Coast, my fabas, you take buses from all over the regions. So people should send more money to you, Abraham. When you finish, come and talk and say use no money. Sorry, the little that they have, you want to brainwash them to send the money to you. What do you want? Tell me whatever job that you have. Say you man we have to see us. Me who tell me say you man now here no. When you Jimmy no. When you Jimmy na say book moti wona moti nyame bi ni ho no. America na moti America has a cramp no. Mo di America to compare no. Am be sorry with God. What I say, they will tell you in God we trust. That na munim. Your so-called nananom must say omu man nananom na boam nananom is so powerful no. Nananom they could have developed the nation Ghana a long time. Tama Christianity must say Emma Ghana no. So nananom so you believe that nananom they are so powerful. Nananom like we have to go back to our roots. They should have done a lot of things for Ghana if they are so powerful. If the nananom are so powerful, they should have done a lot of things for Ghana. And yes, and then because I'm not Christian Bianco Hon Kennedy. Na Christianity in Ghana and say more bosom no. So what I say? Then say more bosom no. So if you think say nananom is so powerful, na ancestors is so powerful, then can come Ghana a long time. Come Ghana a long time, and you guys will wake up and come on social media and come and say all kind of nonsense against the leaders. And I want to know, and then I got start here now. I don't support anybody or come or Baba page, no by yet leaders. Also, we say, oh, Papa, no, my you are not done with on your moon here. On your Papa, no, my so when young son also saw you, but Jim Bana said,